Hi, this is Ken Lau. There are steps to submit HRDCorp SBR Haas grant. So feel free to share this with others. So let me just walk you through. Well, as a HRD Corp approved training provider, what you need to do is that you need to go to the E3 system and you log into this here and you check this, click on this applications, submit the claims, and then from there you have some information. So with that, you prepare your JD14 form. Because this one, you need to change several steps. There are employee code, approval number, employee names, address, cost title, training dates, venue, number of fee approval, and date. So of course you can put in your destinations and your name and so on. So that is prepare 14, J14. So before you go to your client place, whether it's offline or online, you need that. So that is a sample of complete form. Okay. So you have all the code there, and you have all the informations. So you need to prepare a quotations. You already have a quotation. You just need to get approval before you do that. Approve quotations. Then you have this. Then you open the E3, create invoices. So the invoice must issue to PSMB, no longer to clients, and you can get it from the E3. Like I said earlier, just prepare the JT14 form. You must be signed by the clients and the TB also, training provider. So for offline, you also need to prepare a T3 form and you need to get the participant sign each day. For online, you need the Zoom attendance and the T3 form. But however, auditors no need to sign. Just put this remote online. JD14 must be signed by manager level. So how do you download the from Zoom attendance? Well, if you log into that, then you can go to this account management, and here your report, and after that you click the active form, and over here you click on the numbers, and finally you check on export and click export. So there are the invoice you must check 7 points, otherwise you need to do again and again. See that uh, these are the date, the PSMB, the course name, the date, who is the trainer, and the client's name, the grant ID, the amount. Okay. T3 form also you need to change the, like say, remove online, the clients, all the employees NIC and full name, the employee name as well. Sign here at the bottom. You need to have 5 point to check the name, destinations, and so on. So Zoom attendance, you also need to do that. You also need to sign that company chart and the signature. You have to be a HR manager above, a manager above, yeah. So stamp chart again, the date. So this is another 2 3 form. So then you can send an email to two with these two documents. If you're doing it online, you send to the clients and tell them this is the one, and then attach the file. So if the Zoom is on 2 day, then you have two Zoom attendance, and for the JD14 is only one. And then you click applications, submit claims with grant, click on the claims, and then here you click next. After that you click next, then you click next. Yeah, you just click next because it's nothing you can change here. Then you click, these are important, yeah, click edit. These are the things that really spend a lot of time, wasting a lot of time. But so once you click there, you can click on this must you can actually click edit one by one, or you can actually select, there's a button here to select all of them here. Okay, once update you can click on save. Then yes, yeah, you can click on the download trainee attendance list somewhere here. Yes, After that, you click this is the form. Then you open the Excel file, update all this, and then you click add attendance attachment. You go back to the system, and then you click on the choose file. Where is it? Yeah, here, choose file, and then click add attendance. Click add attachment, and then you mean you choose a file, then you click add attendance. It will be somewhere here. So you should also click no and check on each day submission, else you get this query back. Okay, please key in updates presence. You should also click no and check on each day submission. Okay. Yeah. Oh, now finally you can attach that. So it'll be here. So the T3 form that we remember that we showed earlier, that you have client signatures and chop. This is where you need to attach the T3 form. Finally, attach your invoices and the invoice sent to PSMB and the JD14 signed by manager. Then click save and submit. Click save and submit. When you see this, you are successful. Hopefully this document will save you time, and once again, God bless you. Why do I ask? Why do I help you? Because I'm a sinner, and God have mercy on me to bless me with ability and talents. So I was called to bless you because God first blessed me. God first loved me. So God bless you. God bless Asia. Jesus love you.